My name is Aman Agarwal, and I did my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science from Visvesvaraya Technological University, Mangalore. And post that, I decided to pursue my MBA. So after having 3 years of work ex, started preparing for CAT, and I converted MDI Gurgaon PGP-IM, SIBM Pune, NMIMS Mumbai, and few baby IIMs, and have decided finally to go with MDI Gurgaon PGP-IM program. People around me always used to say that it's going to be really difficult, and plus you don't have those acads to break into Ivy League or Tier 1 colleges. So, but after my introductory session with Endeavor, so one thing was clear that if I really work hard towards it, then I can break into Ivy League colleges, and that was my target. So with Endeavor, the thing is that everything is so systematic that even if a student with not so strong basics can really end up with a very good college by cracking CAT exam. So everything was systematic. We had timely modules, and then our revision sessions were placed very properly. And then we had test series, we had weekly tests. So all these things really helped me a lot to plan my studies accordingly. Yeah, they were really helpful because apart from CAT, there are other entrance exams, which are equally important we are supposed to write. And those phase-wise materials actually helped us to target each exam and then prepare accordingly. For example, we had marathon that was specifically for CAT. So there was another module that had really helped us to prepare for speed-based exams like NMAT and SNAP. So we had around 25 CAT mocks. And apart from that, we had mocks for SNAP and MAT and other exams as well. And what I noticed was that we were prepared for every difficulty level. So this time for CAT 2019, when we appeared, then I really felt that it was almost equivalent to few of the mock tests that we had given, especially the verbal part. So verbal part had taken everyone by surprise. It was really tough, but we were already prepared for it. So we knew that instead of attempting say 27, 28 questions, if we are able to attempt 22 with great accuracy, that is going to really help us a lot. And exactly that is what has happened with us. I almost converted all the colleges I appeared for GE Power process. And I had given 4 mock interviews at Endeavor, and that really boosted my confidence. So after the 4th mock interview, I really realized that it is all about answering with confidence. So when we sit in the interview room, they try to exert a lot of pressure on us, and that time it's all about understanding the basics and just keeping it simple while replying, and that confidence will automatically boost up. And yeah, that's it. My 3rd mock interview, I had it just before my SIBM Pune interview. And during my mock interview, I was asked about my work ex and few questions related to my ex company, which is Infosys. And the same set of questions were repeated in my actual interview of SIBM. That had really taken me by surprise, because I was like, how can it be really possible? They had asked me 3 questions about Infosys during the mock interview, and exact same questions were repeated in my actual interview. Yes, they were really helpful because once the online classes are done, and suppose whenever we want to revise, so that time those videos and online modules were really helpful, because we kept on practicing using the modules which were given to us. But for extra questions, those online modules were really helpful. So that is again really very important, because this journey, like I started my journey in the month of April, and then it was a journey for around 10 months. And apart from practicing regularly, what was always required was to check if you're on the right track, and that was made sure by our mentors, because they were constant one-on-one interactions with the mentors, and they used to keep a check on us, on our scores and everything, to make sure that we're on the right track towards our goal. That was something really very innovative which I found at Endeavor, that we were allowed for such group studies. So we were like a group of 7-8 people studying together, discussing all the doubts. And the non-teaching staff, they have been as helpful as the teaching staff, because so if we have missed a class, they were the ones who used to arrange our classes again. Then if we lose a sheet or something, then we used to approach them that we need this sheet again. So they really used to take the extra pain to help us out. And another very important thing was the doubt desk. So while solving the questions, if we miss out any question or we have any conceptual doubt, so it is very necessary that time to solve it that time itself. We might not even remember it to in the future to get it solved. So that time we instantly used to approach the doubt desk and we used to get those questions solved. So that was really helpful. Yeah, the first thing would be that I want them to be very much clear with what exactly they want, where they stand, and set a achievable goal. And the second thing would be take the mock test really seriously. They should appear for every mock exam as if it is a real CAT exam. That is going to help them a lot. And the third thing would be whatever material and whatever test Endeavour is giving to them, take them seriously, because I feel that most of the curriculum was covered because of the test, because I took them seriously. So I did not have to make those extra efforts later, because I had already covered most of them during the classes. The one very thing I would like to focus is that, before we start actually preparing for MBA exams, what happens is there's a lot of pressure, unnecessary pressure from the outside world. So people are like, if your CADs are not good, तुम्हें college नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, your profile is not good, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, stop preparing for MBA. So all these are myths. So what really actually matters is how much you are able to score during the D-Day and how well you prepare for your GV pivot process. If your interview is really good, then no one can really stop you to enter any college. Group studies. I'm really going to miss group studies a lot because that's a concept that is going to help me during MBA as well. So I'm really going to miss the concept of group studies at Endeavour.